What is preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance is planned work carried out before equipment fails. It replaces wait until it breaks with structured inspections, servicing, and scheduled care. The idea is simple: keep assets in working condition before failure disrupts operations. For leadership, preventive maintenance is not just a maintenance activity. It is a way to reduce operational risk and create more predictable performance. When maintenance is planned, teams can prepare labor, parts, tools, and downtime windows in advance. That reduces firefighting and helps avoid expensive emergency work. It also supports safer operations by making inspections and critical checks part of the regular rhythm. A strong preventive maintenance program helps protect uptime, asset longevity, and operational continuity. But preventive maintenance only works when it is consistent, visible, and connected to the right asset data. Without that structure, planned maintenance can become another spreadsheet, another backlog, or another missed task. The difference is control. Leaders need to know what work is planned, completed, delayed, and why. That visibility helps maintenance, operations, finance, and safety teams align around the same priorities. Preventive maintenance is not the final stage of asset management maturity, but it is a critical foundation for moving beyond reactive work. Once planned work is under control, organizations can improve data quality and decision-making. From there, teams can build toward condition-based, predictive, and more intelligent approaches over time. Ultimo supports this journey with AI-powered EAM built for asset-intensive operations and everyday maintenance workflows. It helps organizations bring structure, visibility, and control to maintenance without adding unnecessary complexity. So preventive maintenance becomes more than a schedule. It becomes part of a stronger operating rhythm. For more information, visit ultimo.com.